Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in today's video we will discuss about the black box. So black box is nothing but it's a VSC plugin. VSC means Visual Studio Code plugin. So Visual Studio Code is a editor in which black box is a plugin. Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about the advantages, how to use while coding, and we will check some reference code in PHP and HTML and some other languages. So let us start. Blackbox is a plugin through which you can generate the code in a faster way. So let's directly start with the PHP program. Okay, the first step is so you have to start with double slash. Write your query here. Program in write program for factorial in PHP. Put question mark here and then press tab. Yes, so I have installed multiple plugins. That is why it is completing. Otherwise, it is giving code. So delete that part one, and it has given you this code. So let's comment out the above one and make here the PHP runnable code, and it will also give you the reference of the code from where it is taken. Yes, so you can check here. This one you can check. Okay. So let's try to run this program. It has also given that after clicking on submit, but if you want directly call, so let's just remove this one and just comment out this line. Put n equal to 5 here. If you want to echo, just echo. Let's check how it is coming on the page. So refresh, it is giving you the exact output 120. If you put the 4 here, it will give you 24. So that's right answer. So let's check another program in PHP itself. How to send email in PHP? Question mark and, and then you have this code. Okay, just comment out the above one. So this has given you a sample code through which you can send email. You have to change this the to your subject line as per your need the message, and this is the header required to send the email, and this is the actual function. And you can also see the reference here from where it has been taken. Okay, so here is the reference. So just comment this out, and you can use your code. So it's send message. So let's check in HTML language something. So I'm here with one.html and I'm writing here generate. As you know, question will start from double slash generate table with two rows. And here you have the code. You can see here. You can delete this styling part for now. And let's check this one. But if you are coding here, you should at least know okay, how the coding will work. So the file name is one.html. I have just changed. So you can see this. Okay, you can see here the table. If you want to give the border, put here border 2. What was your question? Generate table with 2 row. It has generated a table with 2 row. And data you have to set as per your need. So hope you have understand and you can take the advantage of this plugin in a writing code in a very faster way. Okay, so let's try at your end. Thank you.